Hi, welcome to MindBlend. Did you know that women generally have a higher percentage of body fat than men? It's not a stereotype, it's science. Evolution has crafted women uniquely, and this is just one fascinating detail. If you're intrigued and want to learn more about such captivating facts, do subscribe to our channel. We're about to embark on a riveting journey uncovering 10 interesting facts about women and how to make them work for you. Ready to delve deeper into the world of women? Buckle up and let's get started. Fact number 1, women's intuition is not a myth. It's a fascinating and often misunderstood aspect of the feminine psyche. Scientific studies have shown that women tend to have stronger intuitive abilities compared to men. They seem to have an uncanny knack for picking up subtle cues, reading between the lines, and sensing what's unspoken. Now, this isn't about some magical, mystical power. It's about being tuned in, being observant, and being empathetic. Respecting and valuing this intuitive strength can significantly enhance your interactions with women. Try not to dismiss her hunches or gut feelings. Instead, consider them as valuable insights, as they often spring from a deep understanding of people and situations. Remember, intuition isn't about jumping to conclusions, it's about sensing possibilities. So, gentlemen, think twice before doubting her gut feelings. They might just be the key to understanding things from a perspective you hadn't considered before. Now let's move on to our next fascinating fact about women. Moving on to fact number 2, women are better multitaskers than men. Various scientific studies have shown that women's brains are structured in a way that makes them more efficient at multitasking. This ability to juggle multiple tasks is not just a claim but a well-documented phenomenon. Imagine a busy mother preparing breakfast, packing lunches, and planning the day, all while managing a conference call for work. Or consider a woman in a high-stakes job, balancing multiple projects and deadlines without dropping the ball. It's an impressive skill that is often taken for granted. Now, how can this be utilized? In the workplace, women's multitasking abilities can lead to more productivity and efficiency. At home, it can mean a smoother running household. In relationships, it can create balance and harmony. So next time you see a woman effortlessly handling a multitude of tasks, appreciate the talent. Remember, her multitasking ability can be a secret weapon. Fact number 3, women generally have higher emotional intelligence. This isn't just a saying, but a fascinating truth. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as those of others. It plays a critical role in human interaction, decision-making, and even our overall mental health. Now, let's talk about women. Studies have consistently shown that women, on average, score higher in tests of emotional intelligence. They are often more attuned to the emotions of others, more empathetic, and generally better at expressing their own feelings. This heightened EQ allows women to navigate social and emotional landscapes with a unique finesse and understanding, which can be particularly advantageous in communication. So whether it's a heart-to-heart talk or a heated debate, women's high emotional intelligence often allows them to engage deeply and thoughtfully. So be prepared for deep and meaningful conversations. Facts 4 and 5, women have a higher pain tolerance and they live longer. We've all heard the age-old adage, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, right? Well, when it comes to women, this saying holds more truth than you might think. Women are biologically designed to endure more pain, and if you've ever witnessed childbirth, you'd know this is no exaggeration. This high pain tolerance is a product of both physiological and psychological factors. Scientifically speaking, women's bodies produce a hormone called oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which not only aids in the bonding process, but also acts as a natural painkiller. This hormone is released in larger quantities during stressful situations, helping women handle pain better. On a psychological level, women's pain tolerance can be attributed to their resilience. Women are often more capable of managing stress and adversity, which can be seen in their ability to bear and overcome pain. Now let's move on to the fact that women generally live longer than men. Across the globe, women outlive men by an average of 5 to 7 years. This longevity can be attributed to a combination of factors including genetics, lifestyle, and health habits. Women's bodies are better at fighting off disease thanks to their stronger immune systems. They're also more likely to seek medical help when needed, leading to earlier detection and treatment of potential health problems. The implications of these facts are significant. Women's higher pain tolerance equips them to handle the rigors of life with grace, while their longevity ensures that they have the time to make lasting impacts on the world around them. So, gentlemen, take note. The next time you're quick to underestimate a woman's strength, Remember that she's built to endure more than you might think, and if you're hoping to keep up with her longevity, it might be time to adopt some healthy habits. Gentlemen, respect her strength and keep up with her longevity. Facts 6 and 7. Women excel in communication and empathy. Now let's delve into the intricate world of communication and empathy, where women often outshine their counterparts. These skills are not just about talking and understanding feelings, they are the very building blocks of meaningful relationships and social interactions. Let's begin with communication. Have you ever noticed how women tend to use more words in a day than men? It's not just chatter. Women's brains are wired differently, enabling them to express their thoughts more articulately and fluently. They can weave stories, share experiences, and convey emotions in ways that truly engage and connect with others. It's like they have this innate ability to paint vivid pictures with their words, making conversations significantly more engaging and meaningful. But it's not only about spoken words. Women are also adept at nonverbal communication. They can read body language, interpret facial expressions, and pick up on subtle cues that might go unnoticed by others. This ability to read between the lines allows them to understand others' emotions and intentions more accurately. Now, let's move on to empathy. Women are often more empathetic, meaning they can understand and share the feelings of others. This isn't just about being compassionate or kind, it's a profound ability to step into someone else's shoes, to feel their joy, their pain, their hopes, and their fears. This emotional intelligence makes women excellent at nurturing relationships, resolving conflicts, and creating harmonious social environments. So how can these traits be beneficial? In every possible way. In personal relationships, they facilitate understanding and connection. In professional settings, they foster teamwork and collaboration. In social interactions, they promote harmony and mutual respect. In essence, they make the world a more connected and understanding place. So next time you find yourself in a conversation with a woman, take a moment to appreciate her communication skills and empathy, listen to her words, observe her nonverbal cues, and feel the sincerity of her empathy. Next time, don't underestimate the power of her words and her heart. Last but not least, facts 8 to 10. Women have better memory, they learn faster, and they adapt better. Let's unpack these fascinating traits. First, let's delve into memory. Studies have shown that women tend to have a superior ability to remember things than men. This is particularly noticeable in recalling conversations, names, and locations. This incredible memory is not just a party trick, it's a sign of a well-functioning brain, capable of storing and retrieving information efficiently. Next, let's talk about learning. Women are often faster learners, particularly when it comes to language acquisition and multitasking skills. They have a knack for quickly understanding and implementing new concepts, an ability that can be advantageous in a variety of situations. Whether it's mastering a new language, picking up a new software, or navigating a complex problem, women tend to get the hang of it faster. Lastly, adaptability. Women are remarkably resilient and adaptable to change. They are often the ones who keep calm and carry on in times of crisis, adjusting to new circumstances with grace and fortitude. This adaptability extends to all areas of life, from personal transitions to professional changes. Now, how can we leverage these traits? Well, in a team setting, a woman's superior memory and faster learning abilities can be harnessed to speed up project completion and improve overall efficiency. In relationships, her ability to remember important details can contribute to a deeper, more meaningful connection. And her adaptability? That's an invaluable trait in today's ever-changing world, whether it's at home, at work, or in the broader community. So ladies, celebrate these amazing abilities. They are part of what makes you unique and powerful. And gentlemen, it's time to appreciate these qualities in the women around you. Not only do they enrich your lives in countless ways, they also offer a valuable lesson in resilience and adaptability. So, gentlemen, get ready to be amazed by her brilliance and resilience. There you have it, 10 fascinating facts about women. From their remarkable intuition, multitasking prowess, emotional intelligence, to their superior pain tolerance, longevity, communication skills, empathy, and exceptional memory and adaptability. Understanding these unique qualities can truly enhance our interactions and relationships with women. Don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe and hit the like button for more insightful content. Until next time, this is MindBlend signing off.